They just took her the other day, right?
Bring it down. I don't know why you're getting so...
Boy, let my girl do my
You can get back in the car.
I didn't pick up my car from the Toyota.
Alright, that's fine. I didn't tell you to get out of the car though, did I?
I didn't know I was getting pulled over. I didn't even see you.
Alright. Just get back
So
in
what's
the car.
going on?
You don't have a plate on your car.
Yeah, I just got here. Here's my receipt. I just picked my car up from the Toyota.
Alright. Bring it down. I don't know why you're getting so... I didn't ask for this.
Maybe I'm missing something, but it appears that this officer has an attitude.
License, registration, insurance.
I don't know where you came from. I'm not sure what's going on here. I just got my car from the tow yard to pull it up here to get everything situated.
You told me that.
Here's my title. I don't have my license with me.
Alright, do me a favor. Just sit on the curb right here.
I live right here.
That's fine. I asked you to sit on the curb. I said sit on the curb. Why are you so confused?
Because I don't know what you got going on. I didn't even see you pulling me over, ma'am. That's why.
You're up here.
Yeah, because I'm pissed off. I didn't see you pulling me over.
And you can be pissed off.
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with me?
She's okay, y'all. She probably
Don't
didn't
go
see
over to her.
Huh?
Don't go
That's
over to her.
my neighbor.
That's fine. I don't...
Okay, but you don't have to talk to me like that. I'm a grown woman, bro. She's kind of like, she has mental issues. That's why I didn't want y'all to know, because I didn't want her to freak out or nothing.
Alright, she's fine. Go wait over there for me.
I live right here, man.
That's fine.
You can't tell me where to stand now. Come on now. I'm on city property. I ain't y'all. Just leave me alone.
1 Golf 1 1 Charlie 5 Sierra Alpha 9 Golf Foxtrot 1 3 36.
I need my property out my car, ma'am. Come get my stuff.
Stop.
Bro, stop. What are you doing? What is she doing?
Hey, back up for me. Back up for me.
Get my property.
Back up for me.
Why she handcuffed?
I don't know.
Because she wants to walk away.
Walk away from where?
No, let's talk.
Just sit for me.
Why got some other
Could I have one detained?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Lady, you're...
Sit.
You can't touch my property. Don't give her my property. That's my property.
Just told you. Bro, she just called me. She just
That's
told me to
my
grab her
property.
I don't be doing none of
That's
that.
my f***ing property. That's my f***ing property. You can't f***ing grab my property, you stupid. That's my property. You can't touch my shit.
How did that lady get out of those handcuffs?
You hear that? That's she just told you. I know.
Listen, I have no problem giving you the stuff, but let me finish what I have to do first, and then I will confirm with her. I understand, but I can only...
Stop the dumb shit.
So I'm gonna need that stuff, and I'm gonna explain to you what's going on. She was driving without a plate on that car. And then she wants to get out of the vehicle and leave. You cannot leave while I am conducting a traffic stop. So again, I'm gonna take that stuff for now, and I'm gonna confirm it with her.
She just told me to grab her property right in front of you guys.
So
that's my shit. Tell her don't touch my shit. Get me the up out of here.
Is your cameras on?
It is. I'm dealing with a lot, so I can only talk to one person at a time.
Okay, so
let me...
I'm just telling you right now, my wife in there.
Okay.
This is our property. She told me I could take it. So whatever you guys need to do with her, just do it. And then that's pretty much, she just went to go get her car back. We got kids. You know, she just went to... They just took her the other day, right?
Listen.
They took her car, so she just got it out of the rental. She just got it out of the car.
Tell that don't touch my shit. Don't touch my stuff.
Oh my gosh, we got kids.
Listen, we're not trying to I'm not trying to hold you up.
Can I say one thing to her, please?
Honestly, I'm going to be honest with you. I would have no issue doing that, but when I'm asking you for items, you're not giving them to me, I'm definitely not helping you out with talking to her. Because did I not ask you for the stuff?
Why don't you talk like her? You see how she's talking?
He could get my property. He's my baby father. Stop touching my shit. Open the door and let me talk. Bitch, let me talk.
So you could be in cuffs right now too. You understand me? When you're taking her stuff and I'm telling you to give it back to me and you're not giving it to me, you're going to be in the back of my car next. So give us the stuff.
You can keep him coming.
No one.
Just advise him that it's non-emergency.
Come on.
Oh, you can't grab my shit with your ass. What's wrong with you?
Lady, just calm down, because you being all irate like that is not going to accomplish anything.
Ass. Don't give that hoe my property. Don't give her my shit. Asshole, don't give her my property. Lock your fucking car if you want to. Why is she stealing my stuff? The officers are stealing my stuff. The police are stealing my stuff.
Did you just break my window?
Why are you stealing my shit? That's my property.
Your stuff.
You cannot keep that. That's not yours to touch.
She came out of
That's
there.
not her property to touch. She can't keep my property. Give it to my baby daddy.
Slipped out of the cuffs. Slipped out of the cuffs. I pulled her over for no 28. She slipped out of the
Let me
cuffs.
talk. Let me talk.
Hey,
do not. No, calm the down.
I'm not pushing no car.
Are you stupid? Calm down.
They came apart.
don't come apart.
Okay, you want me to put them
Yo.
back in? I'll put them back in. Here you go.
Talk to these people like you got sense.
I don't know why they're taking my stuff. I just told her I came from the tow yard.
Hey, talk to these people like you got
threw her in my
sense.
car.
You're a mother. Use your head.
Okay.
Use your fucking head, you idiot. You're a mother.
Okay.
You don't have time to be doing all this dumb shit.
Okay.
Tell them what they need to hear so
Okay.
we can go and continue our day with our family.
Okay.
God
I
damn.
have this one right here because she pulled me over for
Don't
no
worry
reason.
about this one. Talk to the officer
Okay.
that's right in front of you.
Hey.
Hey, don't nobody want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you.
What we're really concerned about is there any weapons in there?
Oh, no. No, no.
That's what I'm.
Oh, no, you can check.
I don't care about
Yeah, there's no weapons.
marijuana.
Yeah, there's no weapons.
Because we know there's probably marijuana in there. I can smell it.
It's a lot of cockroaches in here.
What?
A lot of little cockroaches in here.
Really? Alright, so don't worry about it.
I just got my car out the tow yard. I have $100 in my purse. I don't want them to steal my money.
Do you have a clear bag?
When he had it, she was like, he's stealing my shit, so I don't want to give it to him now.
No.
Just make sure that she's
Can
got
you
that
ask
cover
her about
up,
her property?
and I'm going to re-cup her up. She said that you were stealing it when you were holding it, so you're not going to get it.
She said what?
She said that you were stealing the property when it was in your hand on my camera, so I'm going to put it into...
Only she said
I'm going to
she's
take
talking
it.
to you guys.
I'm going to take it to the jail, and she could get it after.
Okay, so that was a complete lie. The lady never said her husband was stealing her property.
It's just her personal stuff. You don't need it.
She's right there. I live with her. She lives with me. That's my wife.
That's fine.
Why can't I have her personal stuff?
It's her
Hello.
Yo, can I get your personal stuff?
Yes, you can get all of my belongings, baby.
Hear
That's
that?
my baby father.
This is his tablet, right?
Yeah,
I just
you
wanna
could give
confirm
it to
he did
him.
unlock it. So
Okay, yeah,
Can
give
I have-
him his
can I have your
help.
purse?
Give him my purse. Give
Take
him
that.
all of my
You
property.
hear that? Okay.
So you guys are taking me into jail?
See?
For what?
Because
For what?
explain it to you.
Why? Why is she taking me to jail? Why are you taking me to
You don't have
jail?
a tag on your car, my nigga.
Because of a tag on my car
Why didn't you
that
call me?
that they let
Why
me
didn't you
get.
talk to me? Why did they give you a temporary tag? I don't know.
You shouldn't even be driving. You don't have a license.
I brought my car home because I'm gonna go sell my car. I could sell my vehicle. I have the title to my car. I could sell my
Because I don't want
vehicle.
him.
So your purse in there and everything like that can go with them.
Yes, everything could go with him. Yeah, I hope you die. Your mama and your whole family need to die. Yes. Give him my property.
Here.
Stop going in my shit, bitch. Stop going in my shit.
Back when we get to the jail.
Get out.
She really.
You going in my stuff. Stop touching my stuff. Stop touching my stuff with your raggedy ass. Stop touching my stuff.
I'm gonna make myself so clear. You break my window,
and I'm gonna
be
beat your motherfucking.
All right, you could beat.
That's trying to make a point with your raggedy ass.
What a doll she is.
Hey, listen. We can't have you kicking and punching around, okay? And that's for your safety as well as...
Can you give him my stuff? Y'all already taking me to jail. I don't want to hear nothing. Y'all are taking me to jail for no reason. Y'all been doing this for so long now. You've been taking me to jail for no reason. My handcuffs, my name ain't Burn. It's beyond. With your raggedy. My name ain't Burn. So get it right. What is wrong with this? I don't know why she pulled me over. I didn't even see this. This is just doing some illegal shit. Look at this raggedy pussy. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come on, man. You didn't even tell me what you're doing this morning, B. You just always doing shit.
All I did was just
Why do you always do things like that, bro? And then after that, instead of talking to her, right, bro? To get yourself out of this situation, what'd I tell you about that? Stop talking that hoodlum shit, bro. The cops pull you, stop that ghetto ass shit. Stop that shit, yo. That's how they gonna get you locked up every time. Every time they pull you over with that rah ghetto ass shit. That's how you gonna get it every time.
I'll be honest with you, you wouldn't even have gotten a ticket from me. I would have gave you a warning and let you park.
I told you that. You always with that rah ghetto ass, tamarind ghetto ass shit, bro. I'm not on that shit, bro.
Was it? Alright, well, she's going, so.
Look at this shit. Look at the shit y'all doing. Look at what y'all doing.
Hey.
Get all my stuff. That's my stuff. Give him my stuff. Get my wallet. Give him my wallet. You fucking bitch. Stop going through my shit, you stupid bitch. I hate your fucking ass. Stop going through my stuff.
Actually, don't. I'll let.
Stop going through my stuff. Make sure you get all my cards.
I have everything.
Okay. I'll beat your ass if I wasn't in handcuffs. And you know it.
Hey, but another
beat
thing
the
is
brakes
too,
off
guys.
your
She, you know, she's in the, she just came out of the, you know, that hospital where she needs her medicine.
JFK?
Yeah, so she might, you know.
So she could deal with that at county
Yeah,
jail.
but she's.
Listen, if she breaks her window in the car or something like that,
there's gonna be a lot more issues than.
Yeah.
All right, you want me to give this to
Yeah,
her?
give this to her. Wait, give her that, please.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to her when we get there. I have to put it into her jail uniform. I'll give it to her.
What? All right. What's the number? Write the number down. Call me. Get me out of here. Call me and get me out of here. Get me out of jail. I'm not with this shit. Okay, what do they want me to say? Hey, my phone is coming. Get my phone. My phone is coming. My phone is coming, okay? My phone is coming. It's gonna come at the place, so I'll have to pick it up anyways. It's straight, because this she could get what she could get up out of me. Raggedy. Man, fuck that. I'll beat the brakes off that.
Yo, watch your f***ing mouth, you dummy. You don't even know my number, you idiot.
Okay, call me.
Yeah, how am I going to call you?
What's your phone number?
Yeah, I gave it to her to give me a number, but stop talking to her like that.
Okay.
Hey, you need to apologize to that lady, bro.
I'm not apologizing for shit.
Bro, yo, listen to me. Dummy, listen to me. Apologize to that lady, bro.
I'm sorry she's a dumb
Bro.
You wanted a to take to jail, you got one. You. My man is gonna be there. You. You just mad because I have someone that's there for me? I don't give a fuck. Texting your man that's cheating on you because you're raggedy bitch.
Excuse me, ma'am, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? You need to listen to your husband or boyfriend or whatever he is, because he's clearly the most sensible person. Just be quiet and take the ride to jail. That's it.
We love bitches like you. Weak body, weak ass. That's what you is. Hair got fleas in it. Raggedy piece of shit. Fleeing ass bitch.
Your other same
Was charged with obstructing an officer without violence. driving while license revoked third subsequent offense, and violating her driver's license restrictions. Shockingly, 2 weeks prior she was arrested by the Palm Beach Sheriff's Office for fleeing or eluding at high speed as well as driving while license suspended. This was the reason her car was in the tow yard to begin with at the start of the video. Looks like she'll need to pick it up from the yard a second time. Let's hope she's able to make it home without confronting the police this time.